Ever been curious about what a professional dancer might eat to fuel their body? Today I'm going to be making an egg white omelette, so let's start with the egg whites.
Recently I was sent these 2 chicks egg whites in a carton. They are so easy, no waste, no mess. Well, ish. I quickly whisked my egg whites until they were light and fluffy, added some butter to a pan and started to fry the veggies. Whacked them in a pan, a little too hard. Fried them for about 5 minutes until they were cooked through, added some seasoning, and then added my egg whites. They cooked really fast, so I made sure to get them nice and evenly spread on the pan, and once the eggs were cooked, it was time to serve up. This did 2 portions of egg white omelette, so I portioned them out and I added some cheese and some rocket just on top to make them taste that little bit more flavoursome and to add a bit of freshness. I also added a little bit of balsamic glaze and a little bit of pesto as well for flavour. And then because I want to get some more healthy fats in my diet, I also added some avocado to both dishes. I literally add avocado to everything. It just tastes so good and it adds so much to the dishes.
Time for the moment of truth. Let's see how it tastes. It's really quite good. I think if you're someone who's trying to eat a clean dish, this is so easy. You saw it took me like 5 minutes. That one gets lots of points because it's quick, easy. There's like barely any washing up. It literally took me like 10 minutes max with all the chopping and cooking. I'm really, really impressed. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with a Dancer, me. I will see you on the next one.